Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal in a new video in our subject is information technology and code is 402 and our chapter is basic ICT skills and today's class we will discuss about the spreadsheet. It's a part of MS Office. In this class we will discuss about the meaning of the spreadsheet, some various application of the spreadsheet, how can we open a new worksheet, how can we enter our data is here, how can we save our worksheet, how can we take a print out of our worksheet, resize font and styles, how can we copy and move our data, filter and sorting option also. Now let's start our class. First we will discuss about the meaning of spreadsheet. What is the meaning of the spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is an electronic document in which data can be arranged in a row and column in a grid or tabular form. Rows always in a horizontal and columns are always in a vertical order. We can use our spreadsheet, save our data, and a large amount of the data also we can save here easily. This is generally used in the offices and everywhere you can easily use for the calculations also. Some kind of the spreadsheet applications are here like an Open Office CLC, Lotus 123, Genumeric, WPS Office. In these applications you can easily use and can do the calculation work easily here, and you can also save your data in a tabular form. How can we start or open a new worksheet? First of all, we will go to the start button, then we will click on all programs. After that, a drop down menu will be appear. Then you can select Microsoft Office 2010 and then another drop down menu will be appear there. Then you click on MS Excel 2010. How can we enter our data in a new workbook? In a new workbook, first of all, we will select our worksheet. After that, we will click in a cell. A cell is an intersection of row and column. What is the meaning of an active cell? Active cell where you are working, where is your cursor is blinking, that is known as active cell. You just click in a particular cell and enter your data. You can see easily in this picture Microsoft Excel workbook is open is here, and here are top of the there is the title bar. In the title bar left side you can see the icon of the Excel, and right side you can see easily three buttons are there: minimize button, maximize or restore button, and close button. In the bottom part you can see there in a status bar, it shows your status. Then top of the bottom of the title bar you can see the menu bar. There is a different menu: file, home, insert, page. After that is in a standard bar, then is in a formula bar, and then is in a Excel sheet is in a grid form with the help of row and column. Now, how can we resize our font and style? In the previous class of MS Word, I told you we can go to the font option and then home option, and then we go to the font group. In the same thing is here, you can just go in home tab and then can select in font group. Here you can see easily some options are here like a size of a font, style of font, bold, italic, underline, strike through. If you want to be change the color of font, background color of the font, you can easily click here and changes can be do. In the next topic is copy and move. How can we copy and move our data in our sheet? What do you mean by copy? A data is already is here and you want to be another the same data, that is known as a copy. Move is like a paste option where you want to be paste your data. So first we will talk about copy. Copy's shortcut key is Control plus C. You can see easily in this picture, in a C column, tax option is there. We are just select the tax and just copy with the help of Control C option, and then we paste in the D column. So first we do just select that particular data that you want to be copy. After that you can Control plus C, otherwise just right click in that column or row, and after that a window will be appear. You can select copy option and then go that place where you want to paste your data. Just click in that particular cell or space where you want to be paste your data, right click there and a drop down menu will be appear. Then you can click on paste option, otherwise we can use a shortcut key that is Control plus V. Next option is filter and sorting. What is the use of the filter and sorting? Nowadays you can see easily whenever you're using online shopping, there is a filter and sorting options also there. So you can choose easily some kind of the filter and sort option. If you want to be particular range of the item, if you want to be particular size, then you can choose the filters options are there. First of all, in Excel sheet you go to the data option, data tab, then go to sort and filter group. Then you can apply in your sheet easily filter option. A filter option, the uppermost row of the data will be contain row marks. You can see easily here when we are using here filter, then in the uppermost जो फर्स्ट हमारी लाइन है, you can see here record और record पे एक arrow marks आ गए हैं. When you click on here, then some options will be appear. Then you can select these options and you can apply the filter option. Clicking on the arrow marks, we will find that data arrow showing up. Next is sorting. What is the use of the sort command? Is it is also in same tab, that is in a data tab. Then go to sort and filter option and then use to sort. You can see easily in this picture, sort is can be ascending or descending order, A to Z or Z to A according to your requirement. You can be choose your sort option. Next, how can we protect our spreadsheet? How can we protect our sheet or workbook? First we will go to the file tab, then click on info option, then click on product document. After that click on encrypt with password. You have to be write your password here and your file will be saved. Then how can we reset our password? If you want to be change your password, if you want to be remove your password, if you want to be reset your password, first we will go to the file tab, then click on info option, then product document. A drop down menu will be after appear there. Then you encrypt your password. You have to be write your password, old password and new password. Then your file will be reset with the new password. If you want to be disappear your password, then just go to after the encryption password, a dialog will be appear there. Then you click on delete old password. You have to first write your password, then deselect, and then your workbook will be not to be protected. Next is what is the meaning of the formulas and function? It is the mostly used in the spreadsheet, that is the formula and function. Formulas. A formula always begin with the a formula always start with an equals to sign and it having the operands and operators. These operators can be arithmetical or logical, like an addition, subtraction, division, greater than, less than. These are some kind of the operators are here. Operand, like you can see here, A1, A2, these B2, these are operands. So for example, we can see here, first we start equals to, then A1 plus B2 asterisk sign for the multiplication C3 plus D4. Is in a particular formula is here which I am using here in a particular cell or formula bar, so we can easily write in the a formula in a formula bar. Next is the function. Functions are predefined formulas are here. It is in Excel is not to be required that we understand each and every वर्किंग ऑफ फंक्शन, बट सम काइंड ऑफ द फंक्शंस आर प्री डिफाइनली, जिन्हें हम कह सकते हैं कि पहले से हमारे सिस्टम में स्टोर होते हैं, लाइक सम फंक्शन, mode function. So we can easily see here, for example, equals to sign, always a function will be also start an equals to sign, sum, then bracket will be start, and then I will select the range in the where you want to be start your data and where will you be finished. So starting position is here A1, then colon sign will be selected by default, and C1, which one the ending point of my data, then bracket will be close. When you enter here, then your data will be shown. Next is how can we save our spreadsheet. Go to the file tab, then click on save option. After that a window will be appear in this way. So now you can select your location, then write the file name, and then save as type, which kind of this by default is in Excel. Then click on save option, then your file will be saved. If you want to be save your same file with another name, then just go to file option and click on save as button. When you click on save as button, then window will be appear and the same procedure will be follow. You just write the file name and click on save as. Next is printing a spreadsheet. How can we take out a print of a spreadsheet? First we will go to the file option, then we will select print option. Then some options are will be appear here. You just select your printer name and print your selection. आप किस तरह सेटिंग किस तरह से चाहिए आपको, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. आपको अपना जो एक्टिव शीट है उसका प्रिंट आउट लेना है, या आपको उसका किस फॉर्मेट में लेना है, आपको पर्टिकुलर उसका किसी एक पेज का लेना है या कितने पेजेस का लेना है. यू हैव टू बी गिव द पेजेस नंबर ऑल्सो हियर, and then click on print option. Then you can take a hard copy of your spreadsheet. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.